Hello, motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan series, a lineup that beautifully marries classic cruiser aesthetics with modern performance and technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycling, the Vulcan series has something to offer. Let's explore these remarkable machines in detail. The Kawasaki Vulcan series has long been a staple in the cruiser motorcycle segment, known for its reliability, performance, and distinctive styling. In 2025, Kawasaki continues this legacy with models that cater to a wide range of riders. The lineup includes Vulcan S***, a sport cruiser that blends agility with comfort. Vulcan 900 Custom**, a classic cruiser with bold design elements. Vulcan 900 Classic LT**, a touring cruiser equipped for long-distance journeys. Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS**, a full-dress touring cruiser with advanced features. Let's start with the Vulcan S, a motorcycle that defies traditional cruiser norms by incorporating sport bike DNA. The Vulcan S is powered by a 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and responsive performance, especially in the low and medium RPM ranges. This engine configuration provides a balance of power and efficiency, making it suitable for both city commuting and weekend getaways. The engine produces a maximum torque of 46.3 lb-ft at 6,600 rpm, ensuring ample power for various riding scenarios. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. One of the standout features of the Vulcan S is its ERGO-fit adjustability, allowing riders to tailor the bike's ergonomics to their comfort. This includes adjustable foot pegs, seat, and handlebar positions, accommodating riders of different sizes and preferences. The bike's low seat height of 27.8 inches and a curb weight of approximately 498.3 pounds, ABS model, contribute to its approachable nature for new riders. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. Riders have praised the Vulcan S for its light handling and maneuverability. The combination of an 18-inch front and 17-inch rear tire, along with quality suspension components, results in a bike that's easy to handle in various riding conditions. The modern, urban styling with flowing lines and a long and low stance gives the Vulcan S a distinctive look that sets it apart from traditional cruisers. Sight Turn Zero Search 2. Next up is the Vulcan 900 Custom, a motorcycle that embodies